Let me show you all display settings available on Redmi 15. So first of all, we're gonna just go to settings, and then over here you should be able to find the display and brightness. Now here we have our settings. So we have the theme selection. You can choose the light theme and dark theme. If you go to dark mode options, you can also choose the dark mode for individual apps, and you can also create a schedule for the dark mode so it can automatically turn on and off. There's the screen brightness section where we can adjust the screen brightness. We also have automatic brightness, and when it's disabled you can also set the sunlight mode, so the screen can be even brighter, I believe. No, it actually adjusts brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going to dark. So yeah, this is the sunlight mode. Now, besides that, we have the color scheme, which allows you to adjust screen colors or display colors. You have 3 choices over here, and the color temperature selection. Reading mode turns your screen yellow or orange to help you protect your eyes if you're reading at night or just looking at the screen. There is the refresh rate option, where we can choose between the default and custom, and in custom we can set up to 144 Hz. Now, besides that, we have font settings, where we have the font option itself, and the font option over here redirects you to the store with fonts, so you can find and download new fonts over here. And there's font settings, where you can choose your font that you wish to use, change its size, and in some cases the thickness. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.